So I will end it here, everyone. If you want, or we'll carry on. Let's just carry on. Come on. Okay, everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the last of the POVs, one each in each car. As we come down this hill. So we're in the Golf R. Like I say, the second of the Golf R, and I'm going to come out of this bit of road here. This is all very, very can't see anything type of roads. Again, as I like to do, make it easy for myself. So we're going to come out on a fast bit here, which is where I pretty much left off the last video. So the road I want to go to is a road that is a good comparison of the two cars and how they handle it. So that's why I've come this way in particular. Here we go. A quick blast here. Look, just a quick fast blast. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is the road I wanted to come to here. So I have been down here before on a video, I think, but it wasn't a POV. It will give us a good comparison of the difference in the handling and the weights of the two cars, because again, I don't think the camera will pick up brilliantly. Whoa, the pigeons are everywhere. How uneven this road is. And I will come down here in the GTI, and I'll try and do that tomorrow. Oh, there. Oh, you have to slow down, I have to slam the brake. It's so uneven. It's like you're going to dive into the road. Okay. And it's very deceptive. Oh, there we go, another one there. Brakes on again. Because it looks like it's coming to an end, but it's not. It's right down there. So this is only going to be a short one, everyone, because you can probably see from the temperature on the dashboard, actually. The UK, south and the Midlands, in the middle of a heat wave. So I can't keep the car out too long. I've tried to come out a bit later, but it's still hot. Brakes. Oh, big bump in the road. Okay. I've not been down here many times. I don't know it that well. I only really actually know it from watching a video back. The last time because it was so skinny and it was like being off-road. Okay, so I'll come this way again in the GTI, as I say. Don't know this road that well. I'm trying to look at the dashboard on the sat nav there to see which way everything's going. But you can, as long as you hold on. I'm not bothering with doing it with the paddles because I just want to concentrate. Okay, so we're going to a close here. What's this bit? I thought that was a junction, it's not. Okay, blind corner. Let me see what I can see. Not much. Bike, careful. Slow, okay. And into a 30. So, if you hit the subscribe on this one, everyone, then I'll send you a nice big fan for the heat wave. One each per household. there was a truck that went down. I tried to let it get away a little bit. You're just down the road in a flash. It's a nice smooth road. This is GTI. I'll probably do well on this bit. I never know whether I've been on the road before or not. I can never remember. I've just not lived around here very long. Okay, finally. I would tank it. I think that was an Alpha. Couldn't really see. Right, I can't see down. Where am I going? Where I'm going down. Oh, have I been down here? I never know. I think I have. Have I? I don't know. Who knows? It's bumpy. Right. Down. Yeah. Yeah, I have been up. We've been up the way, this way. Right. Oh, that was, I felt like I was going to go into the ground again. Yeah, and down. Yeah, we've been the other way. So yeah, after the next one, it was flying as well. Right after the next POV in the GTI, I'm gonna do a review or a what do you think and which to buy sort of video. So as I said, just a short video, everyone. Just a quick one. I'll come this way again in the GTI tomorrow, as long as everything is fine with the day, how the day goes. Quick blast up the hill to finish. See, even that truck got away from me. I let him get away. So, I will end it here, everyone. If you want, or we'll carry on. Let's just carry on. Come on. I just couldn't end it. As Alexander said, Daniel, not yet. Not yet. Right, it needs to be now. We're coming to the end of the road. Thanks for watching, everyone. Come back for the GTI tomorrow.
I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.